Hi guys! Welcome to Korean Language Couples channel. Today we are going to learn about Batchim. What is Batchim? For example, new jeans. new jeans. New is composed of one consonant and one vowel. 진 is composed of one consonant, one vowel, and a final consonant, which is called Batchim. In Korean, there are many consonants that are used as final consonants. However, they only have 7 distinct pronunciation sounds for the final consonants. Let's get started one by one. Those consonants sound like g, k, g. They have different sounds when placed as the first consonants. But if they become a batchim, they have the same k sound. Those words have different final consonants, but the pronunciation is still the same. Sound like ak, ak, ak. Same. Next one is n sound. When this consonant becomes a batchim, it still has the same sound. So this one sounds an. Did the 7 consonants sound the same as d for the final consonants? Those 7 letters have different final consonants, but they all sound like at. Next one is l. If this becomes a batchim, it sounds like e in English. For example, this letter sounds al. This one is m sound. When it becomes a batchim, it has the same m sound. This letter sounds am. These 2 consonants sound like b, p. They have a different sound, but for batchim, they all sound like p. For example, those letters sound like up. This consonant has no sound when it becomes an initial consonant, but it sounds like ng as the final consonant. So this letter sounds ang. Thank you for watching this video. In the next video, we will be learning about double final consonants. Please don't forget to subscribe to our channel. 안녕!